Away they go. Famous girl from the outside is Batcom, running in the middle, Jade and Diamond, shining gold down on the inside, rushing up Jobel Success. It's now Jobel Success, running down on the inside is Jade and Diamond, alongside Famous Girl down on the inside is Shining Gold. Jobel Success, this time by Sam, 2 lengths, followed by Jade and Diamond. Famous Girl rushing up now to take second. Batcom 1A also rushing up. Last 650. Jobel Success. Famous Girl. Batcom in third. And racing import by the rallies. Entry number 1 about to be, and Jaden Diamond Shining Gold as they race the final corner. Jobel Success by Alencanal. Famous Girl Shining Gold. Jade and Diamond winking eye about to be down on the inside. And nearing the last 150 more to run. Jobel Success Shining Gold down on the inside. Famous Girl 1A Batcom about to be. It's still entry number 7. Famous Girl is now the leader. Shining Gold, and finally Famous Girl Shining Gold 1A Batcom 1 about to be close. Mr. Lindros for your quartet, and Jobel Success, I think, for your Fenta Fecta.